school, classroom, teacher, student, book, desk, chair, whiteboard, blackboard, homework, test, exam, principal, education, learning, lesson, subject, science, mathematics, history, geography, language, literature, writing, reading, library, playground, recess, lunch, breakfast, uniform, bag, pencil, pen, science lab, computer lab, music, art, project, assignment, report card, graduation, diploma, certificate, attendance, knowledge, skill, study, teacher's pet, school bus,